Ever feel like your computer is talking to someone behind your back? Today we are going to find out exactly who your computer is communicating with and learn how to shut down suspicious connection instantly. Hello friends, welcome back to tech.samvad with Manish. We simplify technology for you. Our objective today is to detect, trace and terminate the suspicious network activity using nothing but Windows native tools. No extra software, just the power of command line. We will be using four essential tools: Netstat, NSLookup, whois.com, and Taskkill. Netstat, a command line utility that reveals every open port and active connection on your PC. NSLookup, this helps us translate IP address into domain name and the vice versa, so we know who the IP belongs to. Whois.com, a web-based tool to find out the owner and location details of any specific IP. Taskkill, our final weapon to force close the process responsible for the connection. To show you how this works in the real world, I have opened a connection to a specific website. Here is how we investigate it step by step. First, we identify the IP address doing the NSLookup resolution. Then, we will find out the active connections using a command netstat. Then finally, we will using a taskkill command to kill the connection. Along this, we will perform the lookup into whois database to find out the owner detail for the IP address. Let's do it practically. So this is a site, we made a connection. Now first we get the IP address of this site using a NSLookup. So the command is NSLookup and the site name. So these are the IP address belong to this site. The first one is the IPv6 and another is IPv4. Now we will find the owner detail for this IP. We copy this IP and search it into the whois database. So here you will get the owner detail for this IP address. Let's check the active connection. So we will use the command netstat -aon. Here I will use the 5 string to filter out the connection. So I want to show only the connection that having this thing. So I found the connection with my PC and this is the process ID. So to kill this process, we will use the command taskkill /f forcefully PID and the process ID. The process has terminated and you will get this message disconnected. Pausing here, let's continue in the next video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe the tech.samvad with Manish for more simplified tech tips. Stay safe, stay secure. Thank you.